Add image. Click Fill or Adjustment Layer. Then click Hue Saturation. Saturation, -100. Lightness, -8. Click Fill or Adjustment Layer. Click Solid Color. Choose red color. Click OK. Right-click. Click Convert to Smart Object. Click Filter. Click Filter Gallery. Choose Halftone Pattern. Size 4. Contrast 9. Choose Circle. Click OK. Click Blend option. Choose Linear Burn. Click Filter. Click Liquify. Click OK. Open Layer Style. Channels untick R. Untick B. Adjust current layer. Adjust underlying layer. Click OK. Click Fill or Adjustment Layer. Choose Color Lookup. Choose Kodak 5205 Fuji 3510. Image is ready.